of Pennsylvania included. We're expecting it will play out this way with a little shot of snow tomorrow, probably, say, 2 to 5 inches, and then the main system of snow beginning Tuesday afternoon about 6 p.m., then continuing until the early afternoon of Wednesday. And as we say, snowfall rates of 3 inches per hour are possible with this storm, and it could be quite a mess by the time it finally pulls out of the area. It continues to insist we're going to see close to 15 at O'Hare Airport, but I think probably we'll see these numbers vary a little over the next few hours. I'm thinking about 20 inches, give or take a couple, is about what we can expect here in Chicago. Across the Midwest, this is depressing. It looks like the main area of heavy snow is destined for us. Here's our forecast now for tonight. Skies across the area will continue mostly cloudy. Some passing flurries possible with a low between, say, 16 and 20.
That's not good on Facebook.